Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. The New York Stock Exchange is developing infrastructure for 24/7 trading of tokenized stocks and exchange-traded funds, marking a watershed moment for crypto-native market structure. The NYSE's parent company is building systems that would enable continuous trading using blockchain rails, faster on-chain settlement, and compatibility with stablecoins and tokenized cash. This validates what crypto advocates have been saying for years about outdated legacy infrastructure. While the initiative still requires regulatory approval, NYSE President Lynn Martin says the exchange is leading the industry toward fully on-chain solutions. Speaking of institutional crypto adoption, Chainlink just expanded its data streams to include 24-hour, 5-day-per-week coverage of US stocks and ETFs. This addresses a critical gap in decentralized finance. Previously, trading platforms had to pause trading or accept unnecessary risk when traditional data feeds went dark. The upgrade uses a pull model delivering sub-second updates only when trades occur, reducing gas costs dramatically. Major derivatives exchanges BitMEX and Lighter are already using the product to offer perpetual futures contracts on US stocks. Chainlink is currently trading at $12.19. Now let's turn to the market turbulence that's gripping crypto. Bitcoin has fallen below $89,000, currently sitting at $88,698, while Ethereum dropped to $2,939. The sell-off was triggered by multiple macro headwinds: Trump's escalating tariff threats against European nations over Greenland, and extreme volatility in Japan's bond market that Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent called a 6-standard deviation event. Over $1 billion in leveraged positions were liquidated, with 92% coming from long positions. Gold surged to new all-time highs as capital rotated into safe haven assets. Solana also took a hit, dropping to $127.10 after breaching key technical levels. XRP is trading at $1.89, with analysts watching the $1.80 support level closely. Regulatory pressure is intensifying for prediction markets. A Massachusetts judge issued the first-ever preliminary injunction against Kalshi, ordering the platform to halt sports-related wagers effective as soon as Friday. Sports wagers represent over 80% of Kalshi's $26 billion in trading volume. Meanwhile, Portugal and Hungary have banned Polymarket, citing illegal gambling concerns. This comes as the CFTC's new chairman, Mike Selig, announced a future-proof initiative to establish formal crypto rules designed to be difficult for future administrations to reverse. In positive adoption news, Binance will list Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin starting January 22 at 8 a.m. UTC. The dollar-backed stablecoin has grown to over $1.3 billion in market value. Solana Mobile has also begun its SKR token airdrop to Seeker phone users with a 90-day claiming window. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.